Her name is Pixie, and she's having some problem with her legs. Her left leg is missing since birth, and right leg is bent. So, first of all, we want to correct the shape of her right leg. Then we will plan to go for artificial leg. She is Charlotte. She is having this dog. She is from South Delhi. So Charlotte, you please tell something about her.
She's a very nice dog, very cuddly dog. But I really hope we'll get her to walk normally. I really hope, because she deserves it. So we will fight. We will fight for her to be able to walk. And this is the first step.
Yeah,
So
this is brace.
This is the brace.
Yeah.
So once we get that, maybe in 1 month,
Yeah,
her leg will be better.
yeah.
And then we can look at the rest.
So, can you explain how it will work?
So this is how bent the leg is.
Yeah,
for
now
us.
it is at her actual position.
And we have to put it on the leg and then gradually
Yeah,
open it
yeah,
so that it straightens the leg out.
yeah.
So ultimately, it will be, let's see, I don't know what the maximum is. It might not be perfectly straight, but should be straight enough at some point for her to...
Means one day will come when it will get straight.
Yes, exactly. So this is straight.
Yeah.
So
Now
this will be ideal.
Yeah,
Because now it's so badly bent in every position. It's like chewing gum. No?
yeah,
So this is the aim.
yeah.
Fixie, this is the aim.
So now we will show how to fit it. This brace. Charlotte, keep the dog here on the table. I think it will be better.
Come on, Fixie. Come on, last effort. Fish. Come on, baby.
थोड़ा सा दूर से लेना. So this is the position. This is bent like this. So first of all, in the morning time we have taken the cast. We make negative cast, then we will make positive mold, and over that mold we molded this plastic sheet. Now it is just like the replica of her leg, and now we are going to fit it.
I think we need to make it
yeah,
less
please.
straight. No? I think it's too straight now.
Yeah.
It's too big.
Initial position. Pressure this Velcro, you should tie it as she can bear. Not too much tight, not too much loose. So this is the initial position. Now we have put the arrow. So you don't
Forget which side
yeah,
to
this
move.
side to move.
We don't want to make it
So
more bent.
this arrow side we have to move it gradually, day by day. I think for first day, from here we can start. From first day, and next day little bit like this only. So gradually it will go straight. It will create pressure. So I think it will work.
I think so. And then sometimes I can get it out so she
Yeah.
can walk a bit. And
Yeah, means just wear it for 3 hours or so, then
Yeah.
remove it for
1
half an
hour.
hour or 1 hour,
Yeah.
so that circulation, blood circulation should be there, sustained there. And her name is Pixie. Nice girl.
kindly your introduction, please?
My name is Charlotte. I am French and I've been living in Delhi for 2 years. And I love dogs. So let's see.
You from
France.
France? Okay. How did you know about our agency?
My vet, he told me that Viren had done an amazing job on some Doberman.
Okay.
So he said, this is your only hope. Otherwise, we don't know what to do with her. And luckily, he accepted to help me. I'm feeling very, very lucky.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
So, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Charlotte.
Thank you.
And hope so that it will work on
Yes.
her as well.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Actually,
You from, sir?
I'm from Delhi
Okay.
and I drive taxi. And today I am with Ma'am Charlotte and I work with her from last 8 to 9 months.
Okay.
And
She's
hope
my
so
friend
that it will work. Our wishes with her.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
And maybe when she's feeling sleepy, we can call your sons. And they can come and dance and then she will wake up. Definitely.
So shall we proceed now from here?
Yes.
thank you.
No,
Thanks to you.
thank you.